Hey there, and welcome to this video on how to get 180 waves. 180 waves are a classic hairstyle that can be worn by people of all ages and hair types. They're relatively easy to achieve with a little bit of patience and effort. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know to get 180 waves, from the tools and products you need to the daily routine you should follow. So, let's get started. Tools and products. Here are the tools and products you'll need to get 180 waves: a hard brush, a durag, a pomade or wave grease, a leave-in conditioner, a moisturizer. Daily routine. Here is a daily routine you can follow to get 180 waves. Start by washing your hair with a clarifying shampoo. This will remove any dirt, oil, or product buildup from your hair. Apply a leave-in conditioner to your hair. This will help to hydrate and protect your hair. Brush your hair in the direction of your desired wave pattern. For 180 waves, you'll want to brush your hair straight down. Apply a small amount of pomade or wave grease to your hair. This will help to hold your wave pattern in place. Put on a durag and wear it for at least 30 minutes. The durag will help to compress your hair and train it to wave. After 30 minutes, remove your durag and continue brushing your hair in the direction of your wave pattern. Style your hair as desired. Tips. Here are a few tips for getting 180 waves. Be consistent with your routine. The more you brush your hair and wear your durag, the faster you'll see results. Use the right products. Not all pomades or wave greases are created equal. Find a product that works well for your hair type and texture. Be patient. It takes time to get 180 waves. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Fun facts. Here are a few fun facts about 180 waves. 180 waves are also known as 360 waves, or spinning waves. 180 waves are often associated with hip-hop culture. Some famous people with 180 waves include Drake, Chris Brown, and Lil Wayne. And there you have it. Easy steps how to get 180 waves. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing, as it will help us generate more invigorating and interesting content.